Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome, and thank you for your interest in Bidwey, the website where the more you bid, the cheaper it gets. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of some of the products that we can sell at Bidwey, which there is no limit to. I will also show you how to register, buy bids, and how to bid on items using the strategy that the site was designed to do. At the top, you will notice the banners moving across your screen. I'm not going to spend much time here, so you can check these out at your own convenience. I will say this though, all memberships are free, and there is not a product we cannot sell. We could even sell your business. Okay, so let's get started. Click the Register tab in the upper right hand part of your screen. To create an account, fill out the appropriate information and click Register. While you do that, I will log into my account. After you've completed the registration, you should be brought back to the home page. In the event you are not, click the Bidwey logo in the upper left, and that will bring you back to the home page. Now you will notice the Buy Bids tab. That's our next step, so click on the Buy Bids tab, and you will see you will have 4 options to choose from: $5, $10, $25, and $50 bid bundle. Choose one of those bid bundles, add it to your cart, and then complete the checkout process. Upon completing the checkout process, click the Bidwey logo and bring yourself back to the home page again. Now you will notice that your bids will be displayed up here in the top part of the website. So now you're ready to bid on some items. Let's scroll down to the products area of the page, where you will notice when you hover over the items, the box will flip, showing you more detailed information on the back about that particular product. You will also notice the phrase, X amount of bids until fill it up. Without getting ahead of ourselves, let me explain and show you the process. Bidding on the products is easy. Simply click on the yellow bid button below the item. One bid will be taken from your account and applied to the item. You will also notice this phrase, 53 bids until fill it up. Now each item has a dedicated amount of bids required to purchase the item. Bids are applied one at a time and are generally $1 each. Once enough bids have been collected, you can use the Fill It Up feature. As you see here, the Fill It Up is available for $172. The Fill It Up feature allows you to apply all the bids that are left at that time to purchase the item for the amount that is displayed. In this case, it was $172. Every time you bid, we show you how many bids are left to reach the Fill It Up feature. As you see here, 23 bids left to fill up, meaning when 23 more bids are applied to that item, the Fill Up feature will be available. If you do not use the Fill It Up feature, the next bidder will have the same option for $1 less. This process will continue until somebody uses the Fill It Up feature or the last bid is applied to the item. If the Fill It Up feature is not used, then the last bid determines the winner. When all the bids have been collected, in either fashion, the item is considered sold. Only one person can use the Fill It Up feature per item. Now I will show you how to use the Fill It Up feature by coming over here to the snowmobile, and you will see when I bid on this item, the Fill It Up feature is available. By clicking on the green Fill It Up button, you will agree to pay for the amount that is displayed. In this case, $171. You can see that you are automatically taken to the checkout page where you will have 10 minutes to complete this checkout process. During the checkout process, there will be a pending sale banner displayed over the item. If you do not complete the checkout process in the amount of time given, the item will go back on the bidding block and continue where it left off. You may want to keep an eye on pending sale items. It will be up to you to perfect your bidding strategy to get to the Fill It Up threshold. There will be multiple factors involved, such as the time of day, the popularity of an item, or the amount of people on the site. So use your best judgment and bid wisely. Once you've purchased an item, you will be sent an email confirming your purchase. The product will be sent to the shipping address you provided during the checkout process. All shipping, returns, and warranties are honored by the supplier of the product delivered. The supplier for your product will be listed on your confirmation email. Keep in mind that all items are brand name, brand new, and shipping is always free at Bidwey. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, we would love to hear from you. For sales and marketing strategies on how you can add free bids to your account or receive commissions, please check out the marketing strategy video. Thank you very much, everyone. Good luck, happy bidding, and stay safe.